Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from eTimes TV.
When I was a background dancer, I think that time Tiger Shroff was launched in 2014, Heropanti. So I saw him. I thought, यार मुझे तो ये बनना है और मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? I think I would suggest every actor should do theatre. Every actor, he should do theatre. Theatre के अलावा I think मुझे नहीं लगता कि कुछ है. I used to feel यार कुछ होगा ही नहीं. I used to feel that. Actually, every actor feels that initial stage. I believe that two P. That is, one is patience, and second is perseverance. These two things are the most important. My talent should be appreciated from one of the projects. Like it can be a web show, can be a TV show, and movies. So like movies है तो then सोने पे सुहागा. That is the best thing.
So, hello Sandeep. Welcome to eTimes TV. This is Sukarna. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. Rocking as always.
How's it been playing the bad guy on TV?
Actually, honestly, I always wanted to do it. I'll be very honest. I always wanted to do it, and this is the first time I'm playing a bad guy on TV. Like I've done negative characters in my play. I used to do theatre. That time I've done negative characters. But I always wanted to do this, and so I'm very much excited. I'm getting a lot of room to show that different shades and show my acting skills. So I'm really enjoying it.
So, how did the show happen to you?
Actually, one of my friend, casting friend, he is working in the production. So he told me कि यार ऐसा character है, will you be interested? So initially I was not. I'll be honest, I was not. Because I was thinking यार negative है, I should do it or not, this and that. So there were too many ideas, going on in my mind, too many things going on in my mind. But still he told me and he convinced me that it's a really good track. Go for it, and you will be explore more. You'll be able to explore more. So just go for it. So after I think I had a debate with him for half an hour. Then after that I said yes, okay, let's go for it. I'll do it.
I mean, playing VJ on screen. I watched the show, by the way.
Okay,
like
thank you.
Playing this influencer guy, content create करने के लिए you become the bad guy and all. But how do you think मतलब social media makes a big impact in our lives right now? So playing such kind of a guy, do you feel like, did you receive any backlash on social media कि ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए and all of that?
Yeah, sometimes yes, because see, I feel technology is a boon and technology is a curse, definitely. So social media is definitely, it is a good platform nowadays if used in a good way. If used in a good way, definitely it's a good platform because a lot of people are earning money and you are able to show your talent, and you can share a lot of stories. You can do all those stuffs which we do. And yeah, sometimes I feel that कुछ चीजें ऐसी होती है लाइफ में, even you have to post something ना, you think यार ये post करूँ या नहीं करूँ, इसका क्या impact होगा. You feel that, and as an actor you feel more. So sometimes you feel that. So definitely, yeah, I feel that. And playing this character, I'll be honest, I've never been, I've never played and never saw any social media influencer का मैंने आज तक कोई profile भी नहीं देखा. I've never seen it. But I had that, that imagination that I made my imaginary character, that this will be my character and I'll play in this.
So, how much responsible do you feel that, your character might be a negative influence on someone? मतलब जैसे guys usually make use negative use of such platforms. So where do you feel कि मतलब on screen ऐसा play करते करते I should draw a line that it shouldn't come out negatively?
I think like if you talk about initial days ना, जब वैसी हमारी audience हुआ करती थी, that negative impact was too much. Like people used to hate that person. अरे यार ये इतना negative play कर रहा है, villain है. People used to hate that person. But nowadays I feel that audience has changed and so has their mind. And so I feel that maybe like some people, maybe some percentage, I believe they may hate me. They may hate me and they may have negative impact. But majority, I think that people like nowadays ka jo audience is, they will appreciate my acting skills. They will just see my acting skills, how he is performing the character. So I feel that it's like, I will say 70-30. 70 is positive and 30 that negative impact, 30% still will be there.
तो अभी तक response कैसा रहा है from the show?
The response like बहुत अच्छा. And for my character, I'm getting too much, very good response. But yeah, I talk about that 30%, that I've got few messages also. कि यार आप तेजल को परेशान कर रहे हो, आप तो ऐसे नहीं थे, हमने सोचा नहीं था आप ऐसे हो जाओगे. Like we were watching you like a romantic character, you were doing romance and all. Suddenly ऐसा आप बहुत बुरा कर रहे हो. And these all messages I'm getting. So it's fine, but it's part of the game. It's fine. And response, I'm getting a very good response, honestly. And I'm loving it. And especially I love one thing, that when people appreciate your acting skills instead of your looks and all. So I think looks doesn't matter for me. I think people should appreciate your talent. And when that is happening, then that is too good for me.
I saw tonight's episode pehle hi. So when Aham's character beats you for annoying his sister and all, how was that moment? How has been the shooting experience with all of them?
The shooting experience with all of them was pretty good. But I'll talk about that thing you told, that fighting scenes that was pretty. Honestly, like I was, that I'll be honest, that 1% I was having that inside, yaar मैं मार खा रहा हूँ. You know that thing कि यार मैं मार खा रहा हूँ. I want to be a hero और मैं मार खा रहा हूँ. अच्छा नहीं लगा. But still, I thought, it's part of the character. So it's completely fine. And talking about, first I'll talk about Bhupika, because I've already done with Jia, I've done one more show, Manmohini, in 2019. So it's been a wonderful experience with her. Because the way she behaves on set and way she handles a co-artist, and especially when I'm doing a scene with her, she's so supportive. And the amount of energy I get from her, so I don't have to do anything, I just react. So the scene ऐसे हो जाता है ऐसे. And that is with Mithila ma'am also, Rupal Patel, Rupal ma'am, and that is with her also. She's so good that जो counter मिलेगा, if I'll take the scene here, she will take it there. So I don't have to do anything. And even I told Rupal ma'am also, like you are just fantastic. I don't have to do anything. And with all of them, like Tejal, I had a very good experience. She's a lovely person. And Saksham with Nazim also, I had a very good experience. Yeah, with Nazim also, I've done Bahu Begum in 2019. So that time, like we were not having any scenes together. But this time, I had a good bonding with him.
But वो fight वाले scene के लिए कुछ preparation दिया था पहले से, और like कोई fun moment था behind the scenes?
Behind the scene fun moment ऐसा था कि like Nazim was trying to slap me. एक scene ऐसा था, पहले he is just punching me, okay? मैं punch करता हूँ, मैं गिर जाता हूँ, फिर उठाता है और वो dialogue बोलता है. So what happened कि एक slap वाला scene add किया. So during the rehearsal, the slap went from here. Like हवा सी ऐसे जाती है ना, एक हवा आती है एक जोर सी, वो हवा सी गुजरी. And Nazim is like, bodybuilder. वो मुझे लगा, मैं बोला इतना जोर से मत मार देना, just लगते मेरी नाक बची थी. So नाक बची थी, and we were like behind the scene, we were just laughing. We were just laughing with all those scenes, and like timing में problem हो रहा था. That punching वाला thing and timing में उसमें थोड़ा problem हो रहा था. So we were just laughing at that thing. And I believe that it should be, acting should be in the moment. Like it should be choreographed, definitely it should be choreographed. But I believe that it should be on the moment. If you feel something in the moment, you should do it. So it should be more about spontaneity. I believe that.
So Sandeep, tell us theater background से TV में कैसा journey रहा आपका? Like how did you enter the TV industry?
Journey to like I still remember my initial days. Like I was a background dancer also in Bollywood films.
I read.
Yeah. So during my initial days, there were three things going on. Okay. So one was I used to shoot my background dancing shoot and all. I used to do that. Simultaneously, I was doing theater. And simultaneously, I was approaching all the casting directors also for auditions. So for I think for 6 months, maybe, or 7 months, I used to send profile and pictures. Nobody responded. So I used to feel, यार मैं खुद ही सोच रहा हूँ मैं अच्छा दिखता हूँ, मेरी शक्ल अच्छी है, पर सच में इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, कोई रिस्पॉन्स ही नहीं कर रहा है. So initial days I used to feel hopeless that nobody is responding and everything. But slowly, I came with one of the coordinator. Then he added me in his WhatsApp group. Then he started updating me for auditions. So I used to go for auditions. But after giving audition, casting director used to appreciate my performance. And I used to feel, यार इतना अच्छा किया, फिर भी I am not getting any call. I'm not even shortlisted. Call तो दूर की बात है, selection तो दूर की बात है. I'm not even shortlisted. So I used to feel very bad about it. But slowly, things started changing. Like, I think my turning point was 2019 Bahu Begum. And after that, immediately I got Manmohini. And I went for, like, even in lockdown also, like, I was not sitting idle. I was doing a web show. So in that also, like, it went very well. Then after that, I was doing this. So I had a long day.
So tell us, मतलब आप शुरू से क्या करना चाहते थे and how did you become a background dancer, फिर वहाँ से theater, tell us about all these things.
Acha, the thing is that this story is very too long, but yeah, I'll try to explain it short of it. Like during my school days when I was 6, I think 6 or 7, yeah, that was the first time I told my dad that I want to be an actor. So I decided that मुझे actor ही बनना है. And I think till 10th standard, till when I was 14 or 15. So I decided I want to be an actor. कि actor ही बनना है, यही करना है, इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं करना. तो उसके बाद 10th खत्म हुआ. I was a bright student. I'll be honest. I got 84-85%. So people mostly take science after that. Okay. So I took commerce only because of acting. So that पढ़ाई ज़्यादा ना करनी पड़े, मेरा वहाँ पे focus रहे. पढ़ाई ज़्यादा ना करनी पड़े. So slowly I started visiting all the studios. The studios में जाता था and I used to ask them कि how to, because I had no idea. Nobody is from film background, so I had no idea. यार एक्टर कैसे बनते हैं, एक्टर बनने के लिए पोर्टफोलियो लगता है क्या, एक्टर बनने के लिए ये होता है क्या, वो होता है क्या. तो आई स्टार्टेड विजिटिंग देयर एंड आई वाज जस्ट 17-18. सो वहां से स्लोली शुरू हुआ. देन आफ्टर दैट इन कॉलेज आई यूज्ड टू डांस गुड, लाइक ओके तब ठीक ठाक कर लेता था. सो आई गॉट सिलेक्टेड फॉर इंटर कॉलेज कॉम्पिटिशन टू रिप्रेजेंट माई कॉलेज एज अ सोलो डांसर. सो आई गॉट सिलेक्टेड देयर. तो धीरे धीरे डांस में इंटरेस्ट बनने लग गया एंड आई फेल्ट कि यार एक्टर बनने के लिए डांसर अच्छा होना भी जरूरी है, तो दैट विल बी अ प्लस पॉइंट. तो मैं चलो फिलहाल इसमें मजा आ रहा है, ये कर लेते हैं, डांस अच्छे से सीख लेता हूँ. एंड आई मेट फ्यू पीपल आल्सो, दे यूज्ड टू से कि if you will be a background dancer, you can earn good amount of money in a month. So I was raised in a middle class family, so I know acting is like a lot of struggle. So मैंने एक चीज सोच लिया कि वो टाइम पे जस्ट become a background dancer. उसके बाद वहां से जो पैसे आएंगे, I'll start doing acting courses and theater and this and all. So I decided in that way. So when I became a background dancer, I think when I was 20-21, I was earning good amount of money. I was going foreign trips and all and all. मैंने सोच लिया अब तो एक्टर बनना ही. हाँ, so अब I decided I don't want to be an actor. वो मैंने ड्रीम छोड़ दिया. मैंने सोचा नहीं यार यही ठीक है, एक्टिंग में बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रगल है, अब ट्रैक चेंज नहीं करना, चुपचाप यही करते हैं. बट स्टिल दैट इंट्यूशन दैट कुडंट रेजिस्ट. इट केप्ट मी टेलिंग यार कर ले भाई, एक्टिंग कर ले, एक्टिंग करना एक्टिंग. एंड व्हेन आई वाज बैकग्राउंड डांसर, आई थिंक दैट टाइम टाइगर श्रॉफ वाज लॉन्च्ड इन 2014 हीरोपंती में. सो आई सॉ हिम, आई थॉट यार मुझे तो ये बनना है और मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. So I slowly started feeling that again, that that thing के actor वाला thing बाहर आने लगा. So I was stopping myself कि नहीं actor बनना ही नहीं. So for 1 year I stopped myself for 1 year. Then after that मेरे से control नहीं हुआ. Then I joined theater. So after joining theater, then slowly all things happened.
So you are born and brought up in Mumbai.
Yeah, I'm born and brought up in Mumbai.
So tell us, theater में आपका experience कैसा था? How was your experience? What all plays did you do that time?
I think theater I'll consider as one of the best days of my life. Of my life. Whether I have not earned any money there, it's completely fine. But those days were the golden days of my life, I believe. क्योंकि मैंने सबसे ज़्यादा enjoy जो मेरे life में किया वो theater में किया. Because I learned, and especially I got very good gurus also. So I learned a lot of things over there. And if you talk about plays, like I did variety of plays. I think किसको नाम पता होगा मुझे पता नहीं. But it was Marnopparand I did. And then हमारा production का एक play था I play I did, and few all other plays I did. So I was like associated with the theater group for almost 3-4 years. 3-4 years, and I learned a lot. So I think I would suggest every actor should do theater. Every actor, he should do theater. Theater के अलावा I think मुझे नहीं लगता कि कुछ है. Theater is the best medium to learn.
I read that you also did Jabariya Jodi. You were there.
Yeah.
So tell us about that experience.
That experience, I think I got that film. I've done one independent film bracket in 2018 as a lead actor. So after that, one of my friend works with Mukesh Chabra.
Okay.
So he told me that there is a cameo role of Parineeti Chopra's boyfriend. So will you play that? So I thought, yes, definitely. Parineeti Chopra ke saath hai, yes, definitely I'll do it. So it was a good experience. So what happened, like, I think I auditioned for around 8:30 in the night. I auditioned, and around 10 I got the call that you are selected within 1.5 hours. So after that, I think I was selected for that, and the shoot kept on postponing. So I shooted after I think November. I think 1 month after 1 month when I was shooting. And it was a very good experience with Parineeti Chopra also. It was first time, and I'll be very honest, first time I still remember when she came in front of me. I had a scene with her, like I'm going to her and dialogue bolna hai, kuch karna hai, karna hai. I fumbled. I was so nervous. I fumbled, and instead of going on my mark, I went on her mark and I started telling the dialogues. So she was like, "Beta, ये मेरा मार्क है, तुम्हारा मार्क वहां है, अब वहां से डायलॉग बोलिए, मैं यहाँ से बोल दूंगी, सीन हो जाएगा." मतलब sorry. So I was very nervous at that time. I still remember that.
So उसके बाद, like, since you did a Bollywood film, why not pursue Bollywood, and then television में कैसे आए?
क्या कहें? Other thing is, like, definitely I want to do Bollywood. I'm more interested in films only. But yeah, I was trying hard for films. So some things I got few films also, but कुछ नहीं हो पाया. So after that, I did a web show also. So कुछ नहीं हो पाया. So right now, then I decided if I'm getting TV, so I'm doing for a while. But yeah, my main focus is definitely films, and I'm a cinema lover. So I love films, and I always wanted to be I still want to be you can say a Hindi film hero. So I'm pursuing for that only. Let's see. Hopefully, it will work out, and definitely it will work out.
And what are your aspirations?
Aspirations in like in what way, like?
Yeah, like as an actor.
As an actor, like I want to like after TV, like what I've decided. I want to mostly go for films. Right now, the theaters are also not open, but at least I'm planning that. So I want to go on that way, or if I can come like as a supporting hero with one of the A-lister actor. If one of the A-lister actor, if I come for a supporting hero, I can do that also. वैसा भी कुछ हो गया. So I'm trying out many things. Let's see कौन सा काम कर पाता है.
Sandeep, as you said that beach mein, like when you were not getting any responses from the casting directors when you were approaching and all, बीच में like 6-7 months and all? Were you being told कि किस वजह से आप select नहीं हो रहे हो, or like there was just no response?
No, there was no response. कोई कुछ बताता ही नहीं था, ये तो problem है. That was the problem. कोई कुछ बताता ही नहीं था. So, that time, I used to like go in a negative state of mind. I used to feel यार कुछ होगा ही नहीं. I used to feel that. Actually, every actor feels that initial stage. And I feel that throughout this journey, I've learned one thing. It's not about acting, it's about life. That you have to have 2P. I believe that 2P, that is, one is patience and second is perseverance. These two things are the most important. So I just changed my attitude. It was like, see, it was my initial days, okay. If casting directors were not replying, I was going in a negative state of mind, so that was my fault. And I agree that was my fault. Things take time, and especially good things take a lot of time. So I was going in a negative state of mind. So slowly I changed my attitude. कि नहीं, थोड़ा ऐसे होगा, cool mind से चलते हैं, सब हो जाएगा. So and it happened. Actually, we become anxious, when people don't reply and when you're not getting response. You work hard because we are thinking more about the result. But the process is there. Process is going on. We are not worried about that. We are like focusing on the result instead of focusing on the process, to improve the process, how we can improve the process. So that is why that thing was missing. That's it.
So at the starting time, like many young actors, aspiring actors, they take up a dating reality show or some other reality shows, to be seen somewhere, to establish their names and like move ahead. Did you make any such attempts?
No, I never made such attempt. No, because I was pretty sure that I want to do. If you talk about like reality show, I think it comes MTV Splitsvilla, Roadies, then I think these all shows come. So I was like, no, I was pretty sure and I was pretty clear in my mind that I don't want to go on that track, that reality show. And I always feel something like my talent should be appreciated from one of the projects. Like it can be a web show, it can be a TV show, and movies. So like movies, then it's Sone Pe Swaga. That is the best thing. So I always felt that I'll go that track. I'll go in that track. I never thought of doing a reality show.
But what's your take now? अभी अगर आपको कोई reality show से approach हुआ तो?
Reality show, like name a reality show.
Bigg Boss, खतरों के खिलाड़ी, झलक दिखला जा, नच बलिए, and all of that.
Bigg Boss में तो I guess I don't know, but honestly like मुझसे वो झगड़ा वगड़ा होने वाला. So Bigg Boss में तो नहीं, but yeah, नच बलिए definitely. झलक दिखला जा, I love to dance, so definitely those two will be on my top list.
नच बलिए के लिए बलिए है? What's your relationship status?
No, right now like no, going single only. Yeah, I had few, so it didn't work out. It's fine. So right now, let's see. Hopefully someday I'll find someone.
Tell us, who is Sandeep? Like fans want to know, how are you in real, like off screen आप कैसे हो? How do you lead your off day?
Off screen, like I would define Sandeep as more workaholic, because I'm like I have a pretty simple schedule in my life that mostly I don't take holidays or like घूमने जाना ये जाना. Like every day if I'm going, I'll go gym. Then I'll love to read literature. So I love lot of books. So मुझे books पढ़ना पसंद है. So मैं books ज़्यादा पढ़ता हूँ and ज़्यादा like I watch more movies. मुझे movies देखना बहुत पसंद है. Netflix पे web series देखना बहुत पसंद है. Especially international films and series. Because I love world cinema. So मैं वो ज़्यादा देखता हूँ. And second thing is like in real life, I focus more on myself. It's not like about building myself or looking good. Apart from that, I mostly focus on my mindset. like I think you should have that one thing that is called self realization. हम लाइफ में बहुत सारी गलतियां करते हैं और रोजमर्रा के दिन में हम कोई ना कोई गलतियां करते रहते हैं. तो मैं वो नोटिस करता हूँ कि आज मैंने क्या गलत किया है, आज या ये वीक में या क्या किया, ये मेरी आदत है. तो आई नोटिस एंड आई फील कि नहीं यार, आई एनालाइज दैट थिंग, यार ये मेरी गलती थी, मैंने उस दिन काम नहीं किया था उस सीन पे. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट एक्टिंग आल्सो, यार उस सीन अच्छा नहीं किया नहीं मैंने, क्योंकि उसके पहले मैं टाइम पास कर रहा था. आई वाज टॉकिंग टू माय फ्रेंड्स. So I'll take out all those mistakes and I'll keep in hand that next time I don't want to repeat this. So this is what, and you can say Sandeep is like more passionate about his work and he's just work and is thinking about work. And yeah, in free time I meet my friends. I have a small friend circle, but I meet them, and mostly when we meet now, we speak more about life, we speak more about success, we speak more about building our empire. So mostly like my friends are also really, like very similar mindset wala. So I easily connect with them, and I have few my theater friends also. So उनके साथ connect करने और मजा आता है, because think talk a lot about world cinema, a lot about acting skills. यार मैंने ये बुक पढ़ी, अभी मुझे यार मैं थोड़ा और इम्प्रूव कर रहा हूँ, इसमें ये कर रहा हूँ, इसमें वो कर रहा हूँ, ये वाला सीन देखा, अरे वो फिल्म देखी, क्या फिल्म थी. So these all things we discuss. And in real life, I'm very jolly. Like you see, like screen पे you will see कि एकदम serious है. I'm very jolly, and like even before the take also, mostly like a lot of actors do. They are in the mood and all. But मैं कभी-कभी रहता हूँ. Mostly मैं mood में नहीं रहता हूँ. Like I'm just chilling out. The director said, moment director ने action बोला, then I'm just into it. That's it. So I believe to stay in the moment. Believe in spontaneity. मैं उसके पहले एकदम chill रहता हूँ. More, you can say more on a relaxed, calm and relaxed.
So Sandeep, tell us, like you have been a dancer, you have been a theater artist, now an actor. What's the first thing you gifted your parents from your hard-earned money?
First thing I gifted my parents from hard-earned money. Yeah, I still remember. I was 22 and I was 23 when I became a background dancer. So in my initial days, that was my pickup period. So I earned good amount of money. So I always wanted my parents. My parents, like, they never purchased a car. उन्होंने कभी गाड़ी देखी नहीं. They never purchased a car. So the first gift I gave my parents was I purchased a second-hand car. It was a second-hand car. So that was my gift to my parents. So that, you know, उनको मैं गाड़ी में घुमा सकूँ and all. So that was my gift to my parents.
Okay. And tell us, like being a dancer, didn't you ever try any dance reality show? Yeah, dance के line में जाना, become a choreographer.
Yeah. During my initial days, I told you, na, at that time I was stopping myself not to be an actor. So I had these plans that, you know, I still remember we were doing that song with Ritik sir. That song Bang Bang Da, tu Berry, that song. Okay. So one of the assistant of choreographer, Mr. Ahmed Khan, you know Ahmed Khan. So his assistant was standing behind my back, and he told me, he was looking at me like this, and he told me, "ये काम कर, body बना, अच्छा, acting सीख ले, और hero बन." So he told me that. So I told him, अरे यार ये फिर से वही एक्टिंग की बातें कर रहा है. And I was like, you know, ignoring that thing कि मुझे नहीं करना है. So like फिर से तो I told him, no, my plan is to become an assistant choreographer. Then I'll become a choreographer. I'll go into any dance reality show. So he just said, okay, but that's my advice. Well, let's see. No, my focus is there only. I'll be an assistant choreographer. Now see what I'm doing.
So who are the Bollywood actors you have worked with?
During a background dance?
Yeah.
I think everyone. I can name from top to bottom. If you do, yes, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, Mr. Bachchan, Ajay Devgan sir, Mr. Akshay Kumar, everyone. I think everyone. So even you talk about all the new actors, Rajkumar Rao, Ayushmann Khurrana, Ranveer Singh, Shahid Kapoor, Kartik Aaryan, everyone. I think almost with everyone. If like I left background dancing after that, you know, a lot of new new people were launched, new actors were launched. So that उनके साथ तो काम नहीं किया definitely. बाकी almost with everyone, and I think that was the wonderful experience of my life, because when I was on set, I used to observe them and I had learned a lot, and especially from Ritik sir, I learned a lot. I always, because I'm still a big fan of Ritik sir, so I used to watch him, that how he is doing it. I learned a lot how he performs a song, and that was a amazing experience for me.
So these were in award shows where you used to dance as a background dancer?
So you can say award shows also, and in the movies also,
Acha,
both of
movies
them,
maybe. Okay.
and stage shows also.
Okay.
I went with I went to Bangladesh with Ritik sir.
Oh.
So I was performing in Bangladesh, Bangladesh Premier League. Here it is IPL, na? In Indian Premier League, they were against Bangladesh Premier League, 2015. So I used to adore him. I हमेशा देखता ही रहता था. I used to watch him whenever he used to come in. My friend, I have worked a lot. Mostly I worked with Ritik sir only. Like if you talk about songs also, na, like I've done many songs with Ritik sir.
So any compliments you received while working with them?
No, never. I've received one compliment with Akshay sir. I remember in Lavasa that we were shooting for that song, Gabbar,
Okay.
Gabbar movie. So that is a song, that coffee wala song something. So we were shooting over there, and Akshay sir was right in front of me. He was something. He was like focusing, preparing for his shot. So I had that, one of the coffee shop, or I don't remember. So उनका तो ना mirror होता है, वो glass होता है. Yeah, तो glass में देख के ना, I was just grooving and I was just dancing over there. So I was dancing over there and I didn't notice that he's watching me. I didn't notice he's watching me. So I was just dancing. Then the moment I finished ना, so my dance was like, after finishing ना, I used to watch in that direction. मतलब finish करके मेरा वही direction में मेरा look जाएगा जहाँ अक्षय सर shot के लिए prepare कर रहे हैं. Moment मैंने finish किया, मैंने इस वहाँ पे देखा ना, तो अक्षय सर was like, he was like clapping from there.
Thank you, Sandeep, for giving us your time.
Thank you so much, and I had a lovely time with you also.
Same here.